morning, everybody. This is Mike DeGioia with the Affinity Legends of Wall Street Trading Room. All right, guys. Obviously, the first thing on our mind, first and foremost, is the FOMC trend, which we talked about last night in the event. The FOMC trend is as follows. I'm just going to bring it up here on the screen real quick. Okay. Okay, so usually the day after FOMC, okay, usually that the move up on the FOMC day usually fades the next day, okay? And Michael was writing this last night as the S&P was up, and he's looking to, this is one of Michael's ideas, buy next week's 205 puts on a gap up tomorrow. If we don't gap up, they should be 350 or less. Remember, don't put more than 2% on the play. Okay, our target would be SPY at the $200 area, closed at that 203. So there's about $3 in movement there. Okay. And he's also looking to re-enter the MNK on a bounce if MNK bounces today. And this is, again, another options play. It's with puts. Okay. He thinks that ultimately MNK is going to go down to 30. Timing, of course, is everything. Of course, you guys have to just consider your own individual suitability. Okay, and the 2% rule is very simple. If you have $10,000 in your trading account, 2% of the total value. Okay, and obviously if it's a trading account, it should be all discretionary capital. So there you have it. Okay, RSTI is not really doing much. It's gone up a little bit. Let's see, VRX. Guys, now I caution you guys to trade VRX. You can short this. If it does break down, just go very small. If it does break down and breaks below that daily low, it will put in another big stick like that. Okay? But just be careful because this is a very high beta stock. It's not something I will even trade. Let's take a look at JBL. If I do trade the MNK, JBL, guys, is starting to go in my book. You can short JBL. It's breaking the 3-minute low right now. I was only able to catch a little bit on the JBL. I do think that JBL has a long way to fall. The only thing that you got to watch out with JBL is that it's very spready. Now, the other thing I want to point out, guys, is that we have the GDX is breaking out. Gold is breaking out to the long side. This is a daily breakout on gold, GDX. And obviously, dust is making a big breakdown. Let's take a look at JBL. Guys, go small on the JBL only because it's spreading. Now, I did catch it. I got 200 shares, and I'm already up $24. That one gapped just enough to get above the moving averages, but we'll see how it develops. And here goes the JBL, guys. There's the 1, 2, 3 down. Oh, I did fill some. I booked some profit, not much. Booked a little bit more, I think. Well, not yet. Okay, I just booked some more, I think. Hold on. I'm going to cover some here. There you go, guys. I just covered another 50. JBL's going. This is why we like gap trading, guys. See, now I wish I didn't have just 50. I could have shorted any amount of shares, okay, when it was up there at 2020. $41, guys, on 200 shares. Yippee! I wish I should have just shorted more. All right, guys, now I've gotten these set of shares to riskless. Okay, now what am I going to do? I'm going to take my software, and I'm going to say, okay, I've guaranteed myself $32.75. I have no idea how far down JBL is going to go, but it could potentially go all the way down to $18. Now, look, I know it's only 25 shares, okay, but we made a new low. I'm just going to cover here. I'll book my $43 for the demonstration account. Ba-boom, $43. Now, I could have let that run all day. I do think it's going to continue to go down. I'm still short on my other account, too. It just hit 63 cents. Okay, I just covered for a clean $95. So first trade of the day goes into the plus side. Guys, look at Gilmore. Gilmore, oh, he got the RSTI, and he made money on JBL. RSTI. Guys, RSTI just broke the 5-minute high and continued higher. So, good job, Gilmore. I would take your money, though, because it's looking a little toppy, Gilmore. All right, guys, I'll be back.